Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and wheat trading higher while beans finished up lower. Bit of a turnaround Tuesday going on this morning as it's the opposite right now. Beans are higher while corn and wheat are lower. So we had crop progress released yesterday afternoon. So without any further ado, let's take a look at our whiteboard here and go over it real quick. All right, so I'm going to get up in here close. All right, so good to excellent ratings for corn actually increased by 2%. They came in at 55% good to excellent. As I said, 2% increase. Beans came in at 50%, which is unchanged from last week. We've got corn dented came in at 91%, 10% increase from the previous week, and then beans dropping leaves came in at 47%, which is a 21% increase from last week. And then corn mature came in at 40%, 18% increase from last week. And then winter wheat planted came in at 23%. It's 11% increase from last week. And then we've got harvest data over here. Corn harvest is 7% complete. That's a 3% increase from last week. Bean harvest is 3% complete, and that is the first week of data that we've got on that. And then the spring wheat harvest is 93% complete. That's a 3% gain from last week. So we are getting a little bit of a rally here in the bean market right now, but we're only 3% complete with the harvest. And seasonally, this is the time where the markets sell off. Yield reports have been a little variable as far as soybeans go, but for the most part, they've been a little better than expected. Of course, some of the harder hit areas are yet to harvest. There's only 3% complete, so there's still a lot of data to be gathered. But seasonally, this time of the year around harvest, it creates pressure. And so there's a lot in the trade out there thinking right now that these rallies in beans are made to be sold. We'll see as harvest data comes in whether or not that's true. That's going to be real telling as we move into the more the dire spots that didn't get any rain for long periods of time. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, that's all we've got for today. So have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.